Okay, so I told you guys I would come back and show you all of my a la carte items as well as my Crescendo kit, and I also have the pattern paper add-on for Crescendo. So let me show you my a la carte items first. So I have this cut file I asked for. It just reads January in white, super fun. You can mist it, leave it white, do whatever, right? And it comes in a piece of packaging with a gray piece of cardstock, and I always hold on to that for matting stuff. Next, these go with the Crescendo kit. They are acrylic pieces, and they are so awesome. Let me see if I have anything left on here. They are 1.5 inches. So I think they're super cool. I don't have any musical people in my family, but I do tend to come up with a lot of layout titles based on songs. So I thought they would be so fun to play with. And I have this like major crush on acrylic right now. So once again, more pieces that go with these goodies. I don't know if it goes with a Crescendo kit, this one, or if they go with, let me see if it says. These are called Circle Star acrylic embellishments. And I think that they are amazeballs. So this really great royal blue, bright papa blue, and then this one is translucent in the yellow. I have all of these great little star pieces in the deepest red. That translucent yellow, actually all of these are translucent. So we have that really bright blue, super deep red, as well as the yellow. And I think they're cool. The yellow have this kind of frosted vibe on them. Like I can almost feel a texture. Love that. Next, so look at how cool these are. These are acrylic and they're yellow with maroon. And they're inset pieces. So am I saying that right? So yellow is inset into red and red is inset into the yellow. And they're like shooting stars. And yeah, I don't know like if one's supposed to go into a kit or another, but I have those. Super cool. I have a wood veneer piece in this really nice deep wood grain that reads January. Is that the same font? It looks like the same font. Very cool. And then finally, I have this, and we have this piece that reads Relax with all these cute little stars in the same colors. Oh, and by the way, all of these things have that really great packaging that I carry on about so much. So hold on to your goodies that are packaged because they're the bomb. Yeah, that one too. I mean, come on. I have 2 tones of wood grain going. So extra embellishments, guys. Okay. Oh, and one more. I have this. Is this a treble clef? A treble clef. And it is with black and gold sparkly bits. So cool. With a big, deep brown piece of packaging there. What to show you next? Oh, okay. I have 2 sets of sequins, and I think they're for both kits. Let me see on my notes. Yeah, one's for Renewed and one is for Crescendo. So I'm assuming the Crescendo one is the one with the music notes. There's silver in here. There's little black music notes. They're so cute. They remind me of little ants. Do you see them? How they look like little ants? Okay, I should stop, but they seriously look like little ants to me at a picnic. I have little silver circles. We have white in there. They're so incredibly cute. They're stinking cute. So there's that sequence, and they fill them up so that you have these for about 5 million layouts. And I like that they come in these little clear circly packages so that I don't have to dig through a little baggie. I really like that method of packaging. And then the last sequin a la carte is the one that goes with the Renewed set. So I see gray wood grain, that deep yellow, really gorgeous blue, and then there's tiny little black stars in here. So super awesome. Oh, and just white mini sequins as well. So super pretty. Ooh, you know what? I see dark wood grain in there as well. Oh, they had me at wood grain. And then finally, I have to show you what I did with the Nuvo. I can't believe. I think I need to be in like a 12-step program about this. Look at them. Guys, look at them. Let me just show you my shame. I got these 5 because I know they got new ones in the store, and I said, just can I please have all of the translucent ones because they're my favorite finish. So let's see, this one is called Steel Blue. Super, super pretty. Then I have Iceberg Blue. We have Sea Breeze. This green is incredible. Key Lime. And then Limoncello. So those are my a la carte things. And there's, yeah, kind of a lot, but I'm a happy girl. I'm feeling no shame. Now next, let me show you. I have the full kit for Crescendo, and I also have the pattern paper pack add-on. They do have, I know for the main kit, I'm not sure about for the theme kit, but they do have, what do you call it? Oh, cardstock paper add-ons that match beautifully. Okay, so let me get all my extra goodies. I'm trying to show you, but not give everything away. Okay, so first we have from Ella and Viv. This one is called Boombox, and it is actually awesome. And I need to come out a little bit so you can see the whole thing, don't I? So it's from the graffiti collection called Boombox. I see like a scuffy painted star, a cassette tape. I mean, it looks like paint over paint over paint. This right here, guys, looks like sequins waste, which is kind of funny and weird. But all kinds of scuffy graffiti, which does work because it's called graffiti, right? Then, next, hold on. I gotta find. So now Ella and Viv is usually single-sided, so the back side is just white. Not a big deal. The cool thing is that that paper is awesome, and if for some reason you don't want to use that, I have a whole piece of white cardstock Snow White for matting pictures. The next one I have, it's called, it's from Echo Park Allison Craft Capture Life, and it's Bokeh Teal. So it is cream with music notes going on a really cool diagonal. And the back side, oh, that's cool. This looks very New Year's-y. Probably because, you know, I have New Year's on the brain. But it's teal with kind of like these floating orb dots. Very cool. Next, we have Bow Bunny Modern Miss. And it's called 12-inch Modern Miss Spunky. And that is like seriously a cool piece of paper. Gosh, I don't know what it reminds me of, but it's very, very color rich and bright and happy, and I've been looking for a little extra pop of color in scrapbooking lately. Oh, for the love of problem. Wood grain, guys, wood grain. Okay, so backside of that gorgeous piece of paper is wood grain, and it's a brown gray wood grain, and it has some of this newsprint vibe going down some of the slats. And the newsprint is reading this way. So that's tricky because I tend to like my wood grain to go on that angle. So we'll see if I can use it that way. I don't know, but that is gorgeous. And it's seriously almost a blacked out kind of a tone. You're not getting brownie brown off of it. Oh my goodness, this is hilarious. So this one is from Reminisce. It's Rockstar. And it is live in concert. So we have this live in concert piece here, very bold red with the electric guitar. And the back side, which I find to be uber cool, and by the way, there's a nice branding strip. It is black and red with music notes. That is a kick-arse piece of paper right there. So next, we have Heidi Swap Storyline Chapters, and this one's called Staycation. And it's like really looks like a textured textile kind of a pattern that's very cool. I like this whole like grayed out white with really, it's like a combination between navy and teal. Very cool. Very cool. And then the back side, oh, that's very cool. So it's a repeating element, by the way, nice branding strip, but it looks a lot like a really cool tile repeating element. And my last piece of paper, how cool is this? It's a craft. And I have it on the wrong side. No, I don't. I don't know what I'm doing clearly. So crepe paper. I'm trying to see what it's called. I don't even know. They're hiding it. I don't know. Anyway, it's craft with musical scores on it and just a little bit of splatty bits on the side. That is awesome. So awesome. I do a challenge sometimes called Craft Plus from the Craft Plus community on Facebook, and that works for me. And the back side has my heart. It's my very favorite color, that aqua-y color. And it's reading as a tone-on-tone, which I love. So this background, I'm calling it a background, is making me so incredibly happy. Like even that bordered with it, and then this matting a photo. Oh my gosh, I would like a couple more of these papers. Okay, so that's that. You got to see me drool and carry on. So our alpha, this is cool. This goes so well. So the alpha, they're a set of thickers, and they're raw thickers, right? They're raw like chipboard. So they're like concrete gray. They're called Storyline. So they're all caps on this side, a little bit of punctuation here, some numericals, just a little floral bit, extra punctuation, and hashtags. So yeah, they remind me of cement. That is super cool. Great find there. Our cut file, once again with a gray cardstock, is a heart with a treble clef. That's super cool. That wants to be a shaker pocket. Okay, we'll see what happens there. We have a stencil from Echo Park, and it's a 6x6 stencil, clearly all kinds of musical notes, and it is called Music Notes. Clever name. Very smart. I know we're getting kind of a glaresy glare up there. Oh God, that's the first. Okay. Well, it is what it is. So next, this is cool. So it's a trim. You know how I carry on about the packaging. I think it's a bee's knees. But I was going to take out the trim because you can't really get the idea with it in the package. So look at this trim, guys. Look at. If I could actually get it apart. It is literally music notes, like on trim. How stinking cool is that? So very, very cool idea there. So you're going to be able to bring in some fabulous texture, and it's gonna look hip and cool, and yeah. We also, oh, but wait, there's more. We have a Bow Bunny set of stamps with this, and look at this texture you can get with this. This makes me want to get a little crazy with mixed media, I can tell you. I love this right here. We've got a really messy border with a star. This looks like bubble wrap, a messy circle, then linked circles, and just a swishy kind of thing across that. I mean, seriously, guys, you can use a stamp set like this on every layout. It's not the kind that has you kind of hemmed in like a set of Christmas stamps. So that is super great. And by the way, not disparaging Christmas stamps. There's always stars in there. You can use them all year long. Not trying to harm the reputation of Christmas stamps during this video. Okay, I'm going to show you my favorite part of this whole thing in a second. So these are called antique frames. There's 6 pieces. So there's 3, I'll go like this. There are 3 big fishtail banners and then 3 cutouts. So that could be a really kind of a cool thing to do with a title. So super cool there. Let me show you. This is my favorite part of the whole kit. We have a little patch in here. I find him to be hilarious. We've got a little owl guy in a couple shades of like chartreuse and lime green. And he's wearing a set of headphones in orange. Great packaging, but look at this little guy. I love him. I shall call him Oswald, and he is my friend. Okay, finally, we have a full set. Super excited, and I'm going to show you the whole thing of die cuts. So it's called Teen Spirit by Echo Park Paper Company. I love orange and blue together. It is my favorite color combination, bar none. So let's see what we have. If you don't like to see the full reveal on die cuts, that's what it is. How awesome is that? Okay, now I want to really see. So we have black with a cool star. And for right now, I can come in, and if I have to, we'll move out. So we have a frame in a frame with a cool plaid looking little thing. Great place to put some journaling. Oh, there we go. So another frame within a frame. This is your life. Look at those colors. So cool. See, I'm going to have to go out already. Have an awesome day. Very 80s looking graphics on that. This says rad, cool, killing it, all of those good things on a fishtail banner. Let's get this party started. Oh, that might be really cute for New Year's. To do some New Year's layouts with this. Oh, that's cute. Love the deep, deep, deep coral orange. So cool, chill, rad, legit, sweet. Oh, and look at that. That looks like Vans on the top. Vans shoes. Way cool little tag. You know, I'm going to leave that little polka dotty bit because I can use that on something. Squad goals. Ta-da. I refer to my puppies as my squad, so yeah, that layout's probably coming. Another one of these pop-up little pieces that reads, hi. A cassette. And depending on what generation you're in, you remember recording the countdown with that. With Casey Kasem, I am so old. All right, this one reads BU. Rad with a little robot, reminds me of my son. Another pop-up little tag, and it says, stay awesome, with such a nice, rich cherry red. Pop-up piece here, and we have these little bits here that pop out, so super interesting. So rad, totally epic. Just be you on this cute, bright, bright yellow. It's not lemon yellow. It's more of like a sunflower yellow. Very cool. So epic. Fishtail banner with a bunch of stars. You rock. Well, that kind of works for the whole Crescendo kid. Stellar. Been there, won that. That would be really cool if your kid's in sports. Made of awesome. How cool. Rock on. Be bold. Play loud. I'm kind of a big deal. Rule the world. I do all my own stunts. So that is the Crescendo kit with the add-on paper pack. You saw all of my a la carte items in the beginning, so you know I have plenty to work with this month. I will have links down below where you can get your hands on these kits, a la carte items, Facebook group, all of that kind of stuff, as well as the blog, because we've got some fab designers, and some of us work with the main kit, some of us work with the theme kit, some of us kind of buy everything, not pointing fingers at me. So I work with the main kit, but then I also play with every other thing I come up with. So if you have questions or comments, leave them down below. I would be so happy to get back to you, usually the next morning with a cup of coffee. And yeah, I think that is it. Now, for those of you who like baby Mason, let me show you. He is sleeping on the bed behind me. I'm wondering how messy this room is. And I will try not to throw up, There is my fat little polar pup. Isn't he cute? I'm sorry, I was referring to Blue, but talking about Mason. Blue! Oh, and guys, look. He's getting his lower jaw starting to come out. All right, that's it for today, friends. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.